giving you the book value, but we're smart people, so we know we got to use the market value. Okay. So let's just sum the total capital structure right here, total capital structure. And then we get the equity proportion and the debt proportion of the target capital structure here. And then it's a simple multiply the cost of equity times the proportion of equity plus the cost of debt times the proportion of debt. And there you go, 9%. Okay, 15. Calculate the weighted average cost of capital for the below company to one decimal place. Okie dokie. They're going to try to trip us up by giving us a whole bunch of information and saying if we know how to use it. Oh, I see what they want us to do. They want us to lever beta first. And so because we're levering it, it's a multiplication problem, but all else is the same regarding the formula. So we want to relever beta times and because we're relevering it, or we're going to lever beta, we use the market value. We want to do the target debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity. Oh, you see what they did there? Oh, they're so slick. They wanted us to first we have to calculate the equity, market equity, which is the market cap. So the market value of equity is what we've got, the fully diluted number of shares outstanding times the share price. All right, there we go. All right, now we got equity. Okay, now let's relever beta. So we got unlevered beta times 1 minus the 1 plus 1 minus the marginal tax rate times the debt to equity ratio, which is where's the book value of debt, market value of debt to market value of equity ratio. Cool. Debt to equity ratio. All right, good to go. And you see beta, it went up. Beta went up. Leverage went up because we're levering it. We're adding leverage. Financial leverage magnifies returns. Okay. Now let's figure out the cost of equity. The cost of equity is, let's see here, the risk-free rate, which is, it could be like a 10-year treasury bond. And then what we do is we say it's the risk-free rate plus the market risk premium times beta. And that's the cost of equity. And this is beta. And then we've got it says corporate bond spread over the risk-free rate for company with comparable credit rating. Corporate spread, bond spread over the risk-free rate. Okay. So they want me to get the cost of debt. So, okay, corporate bond spread over the risk-free rate for a company with comparable credit rating. Okay, got it. So let's add the corporate bond spread over the risk-free rate, and then let's multiply that by the after-tax cost of debt.